Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use peppermint oil for beard growth. Peppermint oil is a natural essential oil that many people use to help stimulate hair follicles and improve blood circulation to the skin. It may also help increase the number and depth of hair follicles, potentially leading to a fuller beard. Plus, it provides a refreshing sensation and a pleasant, natural aroma. It is absolutely crucial to dilute peppermint essential oil before applying it to your skin. Using it undiluted can cause irritation. A good starting point is to mix about 2 to 3 drops of peppermint oil with 1 ounce of a carrier oil. Popular choices for carrier oils include jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, or argan oil, all of which are also beneficial for your beard. Once your peppermint oil is properly diluted, the application process is quite simple. First, mix your chosen carrier oil and peppermint oil well in a small container. Then, take a small amount and apply it directly to your beard, making sure to reach the skin beneath. Gently massage the oil into your beard for about 2 to 3 minutes to ensure even distribution and absorption. You can leave it on for at least 30 minutes or even overnight before rinsing. For optimal results, aim to apply the diluted peppermint oil mixture 2 to 3 times per week. Before your first full application, always perform a small patch test on a discrete area of your skin to check for any sensitivity. Be sure to avoid contact with your eyes, and if any irritation occurs, discontinue use immediately. Remember, consistency is key when trying to achieve potential beard growth benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.